Hello, Ramon Bassett with Current Technologies. I hope everyone had a wonderful and happy Thanksgiving. This week, I want to talk about the history and the future of access control. So there's a great blog that my colleague Brennan wrote that I recommend you reading, but to summarize it, I just want to bring out a couple points. So access control actually began 6,000 years ago in Egypt. And so all the way back then, the concern was security. And so it was very rudimentary, if you can imagine, 6,000 years ago. So as time progressed, then the lock and key developed in the 1800s. Now, however, just like any type of technology, there's always improvements because of something not working as good as they would like. So people began to get good at picking locks. So they developed a pin system, and that helped a lot. That made it more secure. However, they started realizing people can share those pins, and so that defeated the purpose, and people were still, unauthorized people were still able to get in, steal, or do whatever they wanted, and the business owner was not aware of that until it was too late. So because of that sharing issue, they developed mag stripes. So like, for example, at a hotel, where you go and you take a card and you swipe it through the magnet there. Worked great, no more of those keys. Those could be disposable. But once again, if you've realized you had them when they first came out, if you put them close to your phone or close to anything magnetic, it would demagnetize and wouldn't work. You'd be sitting out in the hallway in your hotel because it was demagnetized. So then they came out with the RFID, and that would solve the issue with the demagnetized. But once again, we want to make sure that technology advances. And so now it went to smartphones. So we're currently using smartphones that is available to where you can either just have it like Bluetooth to where you just have it on your person and you just open the door, or you can wave your hand, or you can hold it up to the door lock. And because most of us always have our phone in hand. And now the future. So it's going to go to biometrics, and we have a taste of it now on our phones. A lot of them will have where you just have to look at it, and the Face ID will open your phone. Previously, iPhone had where you just take you'd scan your thumbprint, and that was one way that you can do that as well. Now, as in your whole building access control, it's coming to where what the government and military have had for a while, to where you can just walk up and they can scan your iris, you can do fingerprint, you can do the gait of your walk and everything. Reason why it hasn't quite come to where we can offer it to people or you can get it is it's just way too expensive at the moment. But as you know, things will reduce in cost and will be made available to you. So that's a quick history of access control, and I hope that was interesting to you and would give you the opportunity to look more into it. So if you're still at the lock and key, that was something that was brought into history in the 1800s. So you may want to consider to upgrade a little bit. So if you'd like to learn more about access control and the different technologies, please reach out to me and I'll be happy to talk with you. If you'd like to read that blog, I put a link in the post above for you to click and read that blog. Please like, share, comment, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and follow me on hashtag IT You Can Thrive On. Until next week, be safe and have a wonderful week.